Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I would like to present the result of my thesis. As for thesis examination, based on the suggestion from the honorable examiner. But before result, we start. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kurnia Rehan Merendi and my VP number is 211033030. Okay, before I start, let me express my gratitude to Honorable my supervisor, Honorable Ibu Ayumi SSM Hum, who already guide me to create this thesis. And also, I would like to say thank you to honorable examiners. First, Ibu Dr. Ike Revita M. Hum, and then Honorable Ibu Dr. Hina Manita ASMH, and then Honorable Ibu Ane Badawi SSM Hum. Okay, let's start the video. So the title of my thesis is game mechanic register in game in Mobile Legends Membang Pesna. Okay, let's move to the first recommendation from Ibu Ike Revita. So pay attention to grammar rules. Thank you, Ibu. Ma'am, I already revise some of the grammatical error that I made in the previous one. So I already revised all the grammatical error using Grammarly and yeah. And then the second one is Ibu Ike say that declaration must be in Padang. So I already changed it, ma'am. Just like what you can see here, this is Padang. I already changed it. Okay, let's move to next slide. And then Bu Ike also said that I must add the examiners under the announcement. I already made in the paragraph 2, as you can see it in the last sentence. I already add the examiners in on my acknowledgement. And then Buike asked about, do we have a dedication? Yes, because I follow the guideline that Bunova provide. So the guideline of the template of the thesis for our department, and there is under dedication test. So I just follow the sample that Bunova provided. And then you ask about the implication in the after and also discussion. I already added in after this is the implication, and also I already add the discussion, as you can see here. And then I already add the conclusion for the second research question in the third sentence. This is my the what do you call it, the conclusion for my research. So the conclusion is that based on the meaning of the MLBB in the context and also different from the meaning of the register in the general context. So this is my conclusion for my second research question. And then I also already revised the abstract Indonesian version based on what you said in the recommendation letter, ma'am. As you can see here, I already revised it I already improved it. And then I already add the information about register in the introduction, ma'am. As you can see here in the paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. And then I already make the clear what is my data and also the source data. The data of my research is the register that are related to game mechanic, and also for my source of data is patchnote MLBB patchnote in January 2025. And then I already explained after what should we do after analyze in the presenting data at the point 153. I already added. Thank you for reminding me to add this part. And already analysis for add the analysis for the second disease question. So in the analysis actually it is for in the paragraph 3, man. So in the paragraph 1 I explain about why this word categorized as the register, and then in the second paragraph I analyze explain about the word formation, and then in the paragraph 3 and 4 I explain about the meaning, and that is for my second research question, ma'am. Thank you for Bu Ike Revita. So let's move to Ibu Regina Manita recommendation letter. So I already what do we call it, revise the abstract that you say use the terms register in the correct way. I already remember. So there are 60 registers related to game mechanics. So this is not game mechanic register, but register related to game mechanic. I already revised the what do you call it? The background, as you can see here, I already remove in their study. Based, I already follow the rule of how to quote in the correct way, and then you give suggest me to give example at least 3 phenomena of language in games. So I already here. There is sometimes the form is same, but the meaning is different, and also the meaning actually is different in general context and in the games context, like hero. Hero means people who want to help another people in general, but meanwhile in MLBB the meaning of hero is the character the people the player can use. So this is the phenomena of language in the games. And then let's move to the third one, the theory. Yeah, Burina sebut is there register meaning theory by Halliday? Yeah. Halliday proposed there are 3 components in analyzing the register meaning, namely field, tenor, and mode. I can see, I quote this in from the book of Halliday Anderson in 1989, and this is in the page 30 and 34. So, actually, this is yeah, it is Halliday and Anderson proposed the theory about the register meaning. This is I already reverted. I just into the register related to game mechanics, man. Thank you for reminding me. And then I already for the meta I already add the source of data analysis, and also presenting data just like what you asked me. And then you ask me what is the source of data and data. The source of data is register related to game mechanic in Mobile Legends, and the source of data is Mobile Legends member patch note in January 2025. So the patch note is the official information from the developer to players. So this is the what do you call it, the definition of the patch note. Okay, thank you for Ibu Rina. So let's move to Ibu Ane Pratiwi. Recommendation letter. So the first one, Bu Ane asked me to revise there is a incomplete sentence. I already revised email and also some similar error that I made before. Thank you for reminding me. And then you asked me to make italic in the register. I already remember. Just like you can see here, hero is making until attack already chatted into italic, just like what you suggest me. And then for the what do you call it? For the point number three, I already reported. You can see it. The just so the heading and the context is not in different text anymore. Just you can see here. And then for the chapter two, you asked me to revise, this page. I already just you can see here, man. This is the example. Actually, I did it in the all the part of my thesis. Thank you for reminding me. I already reversed the what do you call it, the space. And then you suggest me to use header uh to repeat the hidden row. I already you can see here. I the hidden repeated every page. And then you ask me why all this certain data appear. I already explained it well in the second sentence. As you can see, after analysis, the reasons that will explain in this section are only three registered represent of each of 9 types of word formation proposed by Bowell. There are inflection, derivation, until acronym. So only 3 from 9 types of power that I just explained in my analysis. And then I already you suggest instead of using color, previously I use red color. I can use ball or Italy. As you can see here, I already use a ball band rings, and I use it all their terms in analysis. For the detailed information and intervention of meaning, I already explained it. You can see in this paragraph and also in this paragraph. So this is already at the the interpretation. So thank you very much for that's all for me. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Thank you so very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.